A very good evening to all. Today we're going to do the part 5 class on debentures, and this is the final session on debentures. And here we're going to learn how to write off discount on issue of debentures, writing of discount or loss on issue of debentures. So if you watched my first video, you would have found the some notes in connection to discount. So all those notes are relevant even here also. There I just briefed what is discount on issue because we have to pass issue entry, and here I am going to discuss writing it off discount. Now, point number 1. Discount on issue is a capital loss. It's a capital loss. Since it's a capital loss, it should be written off as early as possible. So capital loss should be written off in the year it is incurred. That is the year in which debentures are fully allotted. So once the allotment is complete, you please write off the loss that day, that year itself. Now what is the order of writing it off? Can we take any account and write off this loss? No. There is a strict order of writing it off. So any discount on issue of debentures should be written off first from SPR account, and if there is no enough fund in the SPR, then utilize capital reserve, and if that is also not enough, use profit and loss account. So the order of redemption is the order of writing of loss is very important. And in case if the question is silent about what is contained in SPR and capital reserve, then obviously you will transfer the loss to profit and loss account. Okay, so order should not be changed. So now the journal entry for writing of loss on discount, loss on issue of debentures. SPR account debtor, capital reserve account debtor, profit and loss account debtor to discount on issue of debentures account. So these are the important points that you have to learn before you open this topic. Now I have done 2 sums to make you understand this concept from TS Kariba. So let's start with question number 40. Kitpie Limited issued rupees 2 lakh 10% debentures at a discount of 5%. The terms of issue provided the repayment at the end of 4 years. Kitplay has a balance of 5 lakh in the SBR account. Past journal entry for issue of debentures and writing of discount. Now here it is rupees 2 lakh debentures. The face value is not given. Fair enough. If 5% is the discount, then what we collect is 95% of the face value. So 2 lakh into 95% will be what is collected at the stage of application. Alright. So that would be the journal entry concerning that. Now let's see the journals for this. Question number 40. Journals in the book of Kitplay Limited. Format is very important in accounts, so don't forget to write the heading. Bank account data to debenture application rupees 2 lakh, so 2 lakh into 95%, 1 lakh and 90,000. Then debenture application, discount on issue of debentures to 10% debentures. Debenture application 1 lakh 90, discount 5% of 2 lakh, 10,000. So total is 2 lakh rupees. Now what is the loss on issue? The discount on issue is the loss on issue, because the redemption is done after 4 years in the question, and it is not said how the redemption is done. So therefore, we assume the debentures are redeemed at par. So issue at discount, redemption at par. Okay. Now the loss on issue of debentures is 10,000 rupees. Okay. Now this loss we have to write it off in the year of issue itself. So, and the question says there is some amount of money in the SPR account. We need only 10,000 from that. So SPR account debited by 10,000, discount on issue credited by 10,000. So this is the writing of journal entry regarding the discount on issue of debentures. Then let's see question number 42. Question number 42. Gladiator Limited issued 10,000 8% debentures of 100 each at a discount of 5%, redeemable at a premium of 5%. So issue at discount, redemption at premium, both are loss, both together will be the total loss. It has a balance of 70,000 in the SPR account and 50,000 in the capital reserve account. Debentures are fully subscribed and amount was fully received. Past journals and writing it of loss. So question number 42. Journals in the books of Gladiator Limited. Bank account data to debenture application, 10,000 debentures issued at 5% discount, so collected only 95 rupees per debentures, so 9,50,000. Now the transfer entry, debenture application account data, discount on issue of debentures account data, 8% debentures, 2 premium on redemption of debentures because redemption the debentures are redeemed at 5% premium. So 50,000 is the extra amount that we need to put in at the time of redeeming it, which is nothing but the loss. So loss account will be debited for the same 50,000. Now, is the loss only this 50? No. The discount on issue is also a loss. So total loss is 1 lakh rupees. So instead of passing a separate entry like this, let's change our entry to a combined form. So instead of passing this, we can do this way. Debenture application 9,50,000, total loss. So I'm adding these two. So that is 1 lakh rupees, and I would name it as loss on issue or discount on issue as I want. Both are same. So 1 lakh to 8% debentures 10 lakh to premium on redemption 50,000. Now, what is the total loss? 1 lakh rupees. SPR account contain only 70,000. So first we utilize that 70. Then capital reserve have some amount and we need only 30 from that. So capital reserve is utilized to an extent of 30,000. With that we write off the entire loss of 1 lakh rupees. So hope you all understood about the writing of loss. I would like to explain 43, 44, 45 in a crisp way. Not going to do it, just going to explain it to you. DB Limited issued 20,000 7% debentures of 100 each at a discount of 10%, redeemable at a premium of 10%. Payable 50 on application, balance on allotment. So in previous all cases it was lump sum issue. So here in installment. Now naturally what happens here is the discount at the time of issue is given at the stage of allotment. So whenever the issue is silent, from which stage the premium or discount is charged or collected, we assume it is always at the stage of allotment. So bank to debenture application to percentage debentures, which will be 20,000 into 50,000, 20,000 into 50. Then you pass the allotment entry, debenture allotment account to percentage debentures, debenture allotment account data, discount on issue of debentures account data, to percentage debentures to premium on redemption of debentures. So the discount entry is where you show the premium on redemption and the discount on issue. Okay, so far we have been doing at the stage of application. Now you just make a change and do it in the allotment stage. So with that we know the total loss, and that loss is written off. So if you see what is the loss, I think the loss will be 4 lakh rupees here. 20,000 into 10 rupees, which is 2 lakh discount, 20,000 into 10 rupee premium, another 2 lakh premium. So 2 plus 2 is 4 lakh. So total discount on issue or total loss on issue is 4 lakh rupees. Now, do we have enough fund for that? SPR contain 1 lakh 50, capital reserve contain 1 lakh. So which means total 2 lakh 50 is available in these two. The remaining 1 lakh 50 will be taken from the profit and loss account. So journal entry will be SPR account data 1,50,000, capital reserve 1 lakh, profit and loss account 1,50,000, two loss on issue of debentures 4 lakh rupees. Question number 44. On 1st January 2018, Raha Limited issued 6,000 8% debentures of face value 100, redeemable at 5% premium in equal proportion at the end of 5, 10 and 15 years. So here redemption is done at equal installments. So which means 6,000 number of debentures divided by 3. So 2,000 debentures first redeemed after 5 years, another 2,000 after another 5 years, which means after 10 years, and then the last 2,000 after 15 years. Okay. And then the SPR as 10,000 rupees in the fund. Now, the loss on issue of debentures should be written off in the year of issue itself. So we don't care when the redemptions, when the debentures are redeemed. It could be redeemed after 5 years or 10 years. We don't care about that. We only care about the issue and writing it off law. And both of this is done in the year of the issue itself. So issue entry is passed. Discount writing it off entry is also passed in the year 2018. So all these things are irrelevant. Question number 45. 10,000 8% debentures of 100 each, redeemable in 4 equal installments by draw of lots from the end of 3 years at a premium of 9%. So that means they plan to redeem it by drawing lot at the end of 3 years. Fair enough. Now what is the loss on issue of debentures? It was issued at par, so there is no loss at the time of issue. But they plan to redeem at premium, so that means 10,000 into 9 rupees will be the premium on redemption of debentures, which is the loss on issue. So loss is 90,000 and loss to be written off in the year of issue itself. Now where is SPR fund here? No SPR fund given, no capital reserve given. So what do we do then? We have to transfer the loss to the profit and loss account. So profit and loss account data to loss on issue of debentures. So with this, I have finished explaining all the type under writing of discount on issue of debentures. Hope you find this useful. Do the sums and share it with your friends.